What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back with y'all's favorite car, the 1973 Buick Regal, and you guys can't see it. We're right across the street from the AutoSpa LLC. You know what that means? That means we're going to get all this salt and nasty crap off the car. He's going to make the car look great again, and then I'm going to sell it. Yeah. That's it. I'm gonna sell it. So right there is the AutoSpa LLC. He is busy. His lot is full, so he told me to park over here. So here it is. The Incredible Hulk is what I called it, or originally I called it the Green Goblin. Right now it just looks really sickly because it's nasty. It is nasty. I really appreciate Brian over there for getting this car in as fast as he did. We're gonna do a before and after. She's running well. I have been driving the living heck out of this car, guys, and it has given me no issues at all. None. Now, I'll be the first to admit the fuel economy isn't the greatest, but listen to her. She does idle a little. She idles a little bit rough. You can hear it. Listen. It idles a tad rough. Not too bad, but I mean, as soon as you hit on the gas, as soon as you tap the gas, man, she goes. She goes. I've had no problem with this car keeping up with all of these modern cars on the street. She hasn't been slow or lethargic or anything. She holds her own. She holds her own very well. Now, I know you're going to notice this one hubcap. Well, Santa's workshop managed to get that hubcap on, and him and I tried to get the other three on. We couldn't do it. Those things did not want to go on. So I just wanted to give you kind of a quick look around of the car, what it looks like now, and then we'll come back when he's done. I'm leaving for Virginia. If you're seeing this video, I'm probably already back. But yeah, she honestly looks really, really good. And I know a lot of you are going to be real upset with me for wanting to sell the old girl, but let's just say I'm on to something else. All right, I got something else in the works here. And this car was great. It was fun. I had a blast with Michael from Monkey Ridge Mike channel and Lunar Outlaw from Lunar Outlaw's Garage. I had a great time doing this with them. And as much as I would love to sit around and play with the car some more, I just can't. I can't. I got some other stuff going on, guys, and we're gonna focus on that. There is a slight exhaust leak up here. You hear it? You probably won't be able to see it, but it's the exhaust manifold gasket. The front corner up here is missing. A big chunk of the gasket is just gone. So, yeah, there it is. It hasn't had an issue losing any more transmission fluid, so that's good news. I haven't had to put any more in it since I got back. And now I guess it's time to send it on in to Brian, and look at this. Just look how nasty this is. It is gross. But he's going to take care of her. He's going to make her look really, really good. We'll get those hubcaps put back on it, and then I know, we're going to do the unthinkable. We're going to sell it. We're going to send it down to Insurance Auto Auctions, I guess, unless a dealer approaches me and wants to do something with it. I know everybody's always asking, like, how much are you going to sell it for? How much do you want for this? Well, number one, guys, I can't sell to the public, but obviously I'm not going to get $6,500 back out of it. And I've got, well, I don't want to tell you how much I got. I got over 68 in it currently, and I'm about to send it in for a hell of a detail. So yeah, I'll never get my money back, but I'm really hoping that I could clear $5 grand. I think if I could get $5 grand for this, I would be happy. And if I can't, I may not let it go. I may have to hold on to this one if I can't pull $5. It's worth every dollar. Every dollar. This is a car you could fly down here and you could drive home, and I highly doubt it would give you any issues. So I'm gonna cut the clip here. We're gonna send it into Brian, and we'll come back when he works his magic. All right, we're back at the AutoSpa LLC, downtown Oklahoma City, and Brian bought himself a new toy, guys. And he parked it next to my Buick. Oh man, here's the thing. I'm not gonna tell you what he paid for it. This is, what is this, I'll have to ask him, a 458? I think this is a 458 GTA. I can't remember. You know, because it says under he's got a battery tender on this sucker. This is such a cool car because, unlike most of them, this is front wheel drive, which means, not front wheel drive, The engine is up front, not in the back, which means the timing belt can be serviced from the front. This is super cool because it's one of those cars, they're relatively affordable now. They're a lot of fun. They still look really, really good. And there's a lot of aftermarket support for them. He stole this car. He tried to sell it to me before he bought it, and I laughed and I was like, nah, I don't want it. And then I found out that he bought it for less, and I wish I had jumped on it. I wish I had jumped on it because this thing is a beast, man. She is a good looking car. V12, yeah, V12. He's got some plans for it. I'm telling you, if it was me, I'd be daily driving this sucker. I would be driving this thing all day, every day. This would be my new daily. But instead of this, instead of something cool like a V12 Ferrari, I have this, a 1973 Buick. Yeah, and a 1973 Plymouth Scamp over there as well. Brian and the guys over here knocked this car out. I can't believe the amount of shine on this thing. It probably looks better than it did when it came off the showroom floor. She is a good looking car. Now, I did bring the tool to install the hubcaps. I'm gonna try to get those hubcaps back on. I really don't want to sell it. Honestly, this car is far, far better than the Scamp that I have. Oh man, look at the interior. Wow. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this. She cleaned up nice, guys. What a beautiful car. Oh, let me make sure I don't door ding his new toy there. Be very careful not to dent that. Oh, wow. I already miss it. I already miss it, and I haven't even sold it yet. Part of this video is to let you guys know that I have already sent this car to auction. Yeah, this car is going down the road. As much as I would rather get rid of the Scamp. The Scamp makes more sense. The Scamp is not a very good car, guys. It's not. This car, it does have a little bit of rust, but I mean, seriously, considering it's a 1973 and considering it came from the Northeast, you can't fault this car, man. Look at the fender, the inner fenders and everything. Very, very solid vehicle. Very solid. 352 barrel interstate battery. She runs like a top. She does. This car is one that I would not hesitate to get in and drive anywhere. However, the Plymouth, I can't say too much negative about the Plymouth. It made it, right? It made it 1,600 miles without any serious issues. Anything too serious anyway. So obviously the Plymouth is relatively reliable as well. Anyway, I've got IAA coming for this probably tomorrow. By the time you see this video, this thing will probably already be up for sale. Look at the shine in that paint. You know what's crazy is I don't even see any door dings. I don't see any dents. I don't see anything crazy going on with this car at all. I do have the hubcaps. Like I said, I'm gonna put those back on. Oh, he got another one of them on right there. I got a special tool. I'll try to beat that one on a little better with. Let me see if I can get these hubcaps on real quick. I think that'd make this car look a ton better. All right, let's take it across the street real quick. Do a little cold start here. Oh man, this car is so much nicer. Wow. Wow. Little exhaust leak. Oh man, what a beautiful car. Let's see if I can get out of here without running something or somebody over. There we go. It wants me to fasten my seatbelt. Did the damn hubcap just fall off? Are you serious? I barely even moved the dadgum car. I was trying to show you guys. I knew it. I knew it. No. I'm having a hard time keeping this one on. And I know that noise sounds scary, right? I assure you it's an exhaust leak. Okay, let me get it over there real quick. All right, here we go. See if we can sneak out here without getting our front end took off. Can't hardly see anything over here. There we go. Oh, wow, what a boat. What a boat. Oh, man, it is so comfortable. Wow. Very smooth, very comfortable. That noise is annoying, but it really is just an exhaust leak from the manifold. You can hear it. I had some people like, oh, it's got a rod knock. It's got no rod knock, guys. I drove this thing over 2,000 miles from New York back to Oklahoma. Take a look at her. I'll do my best to get that last hubcap back on, but that one is a bear. Yeah, getting that hubcap on is a bear. I'll try it again though. Man. Let's do a run. So this is going down the road, guys. Like I said, it's going to Insurance Auto Auctions. I really do hate letting this car go. I can't keep them all. That's the biggest problem I've had with these cars, man, is I wish I could keep all of them. You just can't. There's an exhaust leak. You guys won't be able to see it. I don't think you can see it, but right down there, you can actually see a little bit of fire coming out of the manifold there. Well, I can see it anyway. Yeah. Take this out. I don't know what the deal is, guys. It never leaked any transmission fluid. We assumed it was a modulator valve. We never replaced the modulator valve, and it never leaked any more fluid. I mean, I drove this thing all over the place. I never lost any more fluid. So I'll include the funnel. Goes with the car. What a beautiful old girl. If this thing is up for auction and you're interested in it, directly below this video, I'll have a direct link to the car. I will get that dadgum hubcap put back on. But yeah, right below the video, I'll have a link to the car. If this video comes out and the car is not yet available for sale, come back and check the video regularly. Because as of the recording of this video, February 28th, 2022, Insurance Auto Auctions is supposed to come pick this car up March 1st or March 2nd. So I don't know when it'll be going up for auction, but there it is, guys. It made the trip all the way from New York back to Oklahoma. Keep in mind also, it is cold. This car has not had time to warm up. We just got in it and drove, guys. She gets better as she warms up. But there it is. That paint came out beautiful. She's a sweet looking old car. And I think it'll make somebody a wonderful little, I say project, because it does need a little bit of work, you know, tune up and all that good stuff. But obviously, as I showed, you can get in this car and you can go. You can get in this car and know that if you wanted to go to New York, she'll get you there. She'll get you there. Oh, man. I guess we'll go for, maybe I'll buckle my seatbelt. All right, let's take her for a little spin. We're downtown Oklahoma City. We're right by the AutoSpa. Horn works, heat works, AC does not, but it's all there. Here we go. Smooth. Look at that. I mean, just after riding in that dadgum Plymouth, this is like the lap of luxury right here. This is luxury. This car rides so smooth. It is so comfortable. The Plymouth rides like a dadgum race car on steroids. Like it throws you, jerks you, bounces you all over the place. That car was made for having fun. This was made for cruising. This was made for enjoying. You're supposed to be able to get in this and drive cross country if you want to and have a good time. And your back won't be broken when you get done. Yeah. I'm really digging this car, guys. I am. We're gonna flip it around here. Assuming I can find somewhere I can do this without getting myself hung up. There we go. All right. What a car, man. What a car. There's no lines on this road, so I don't know where the hell I'm supposed to be. All the lines are, I guess I'm supposed to be over here. Hell, I don't know. I'm gonna miss her. This was a great trip. I had a lot of fun with this car. It did everything it was supposed to do. What an enjoyable experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos of the Buick. I'm sad to see it go. Unfortunately, as backwards as this may sound, this car doesn't need my help. This car runs and drives just fine, exactly the way it is. It needs absolutely no help from me. Whereas the Plymouth, well, that car needs a lot of help, guys. Let's park her. And I guess we'll say goodbye. I try really, really hard not to get attached to these cars. I really do. Unfortunately, I can't help it. That door's a little heavy. Oh, I gotta put that hubcap on anyway, so we'll come back to that in a minute. They did a great job. As always, guys, if you need some detail work on your car, come over here, holler at the AutoSpa LLC here in Oklahoma City, guys. They will take excellent care of you. I can't believe they brought the paint back on this. So nice. I mean, it shines. It really does. This paint looks so nice. You see your reflection in it, man. Original paint. Absolutely amazing. With that, guys, I got things to do, so I got to get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm on a mission to hit 500,000 subscribers by January 1st, 2023. Maybe we'll get there, maybe we won't, but I think we're on track to do it. With your help, I know we can. Hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get there, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one. Don't forget, keep coming back. Look for that link below to this car where you can put it on your watch list. And hopefully I get to see one of my subscribers end up with this beauty.